My heart, a deep and dark and lonely part, wants her